I haven't seen much of a snowstorm yet. I've seen some snow, but not no 10 to 14 inches. One, maybe, at most. I'm gonna turn the camera off until things get worse, and I'm gonna get camp set up because I'm gonna save the battery. All right, I think I'm set up for the night. If you look at the tripod on the backpack, you see why I had to put the camera away. I think I'm set up for the night. The wind is coming from that way. I've got it set real low. It seems to be shedding the snow pretty good. Just pulls right off. Got my Eagle's Nest Outfitter underquilt. I've got my -10 sleeping bag. I'm using my top quilt as a pillow right now. That's where I've got it, and if I think I need it, then I'll pull it up later. And I've got a carabiner that I got from K-Bar User here that I kind of bring around and pull that underquilt up. But I don't think I need the top quilt tonight. It's not cold. It's -10 sleeping bag. I got the underquilt. I'm set up for a snowstorm. We've got snow on the other side. We're spending the night. I put that tarp around the end. I put my backpack inside. I put the tarp around this end, my extra tarp, so I could tie my backpack up in there to the tree. I mean, it's mostly protected. If I had a little clip or something, I might be able to clip it right there. Yeah, I might be able to make a clothespin out of a stick. I think I might try that. I just took my saw and cut a notch down through the center there. Now I'll cut it off and I'll use that as my clothespin to pin my tarp together. There we go. Nice little clothespin to keep that snow from getting down in there on my backpack. I mean, there's still a little bit of a hole there, but it's 90% closed off. I got it tied out. We're shedding snow nice. Kind of building a little on the bottom there, but it'll fall off if it gets too much. I think we're good. I think we're good for the night. Poor little tripod. And I'm snug as a bug in a rug up in there. I tied the hammock high because I know it's gonna drop. I've already pre-stretched the ropes a little bit, but I know as soon as I lay in there, it's gonna drop. So we tied it high, and we'll tie higher if we need to. Poor little backpack. It's 2:45. I'm in the hammock. The green spots are where I'm at, and all that blue is supposed to be snow. It's not very good snow, and it's moving to the northeast. I don't think we're even getting an inch to at most. They're way off on their prediction. Maryland, New Jersey, New York, they're the ones that's gonna get hit. We're gonna sleep a little bit. I worked all night last night, come out here in the woods and put my hammock up to camp on a snowstorm, and unless we get more snow, this ain't no snowstorm. Well, good morning. We were supposed to get a bunch of snow, but we didn't get but a couple inches. But that's all right. At least I still got to camp out in it. So, looks like we're gonna pack up now and go home. Gotta pay rent today. Well, I just got home a few minutes ago. I didn't record much this morning because as soon as I climbed out of that hammock and got out in that wind, my fingers were froze. And I had to take about 5 breaks just to pack up and warm my hands because you can't untie knots with gloves on. So even though most of my knots were pull and release, it's just trying to pack stuff away back in the bags and everything. You just can't really do that with gloves on, so you got to stop every few minutes and put your gloves back on, warm your fingers back up, and go for round 2. And here's what it looks like outside. I mean, we did get a few inches of snow. My car was clean yesterday, or 99% clean. You can see here where I walked in this morning. I'm gonna run down to the store right now to get me a soda. Need some sugar. Well, I'm back from getting me a soda and some Subway. Hungry. I hadn't eaten in 24 hours other than snacks out there. Didn't really want to feel like cooking in a snowstorm. So, well, I'm going to try to get this video edited and see if I can't get it online this afternoon. What's up with this tree? This thing is horny or thorny or... What's up with this tree? I'm glad I didn't grab that coming in. Holy smokes. I just noticed it. Ow! That is nuts. Don't touch that tree. Never seen one like it.